Alright, this is the water pump off the Elco. This engine came out of a 98 truck, so it's a different application. There is a heater hose here and a heater hose here. I only use this heater hose. Last year on the trip I had a cap, rubber cap on this line, and in Alabama I think it was, this thing let go as I was pulling into the campsite. So fortunately it wasn't going down the highway at 70 miles an hour. I bought this cap, put it on. 1 year later, this thing's already cracked and leaking. So what we're going to end up doing is I took a pair of vice grips, clamped the thing in the vise, yanked this out. Now we're going to take 3/8 inch pipe plug. This hole is a little bit oversized, but we'll make it work. And we're going to drive a pipe plug in there, and it will be a completely secure fix. Good, back to the car now. Now we're moving on to some body work. You can see we got the grill off already. This is called the fender extension. It's unique to 71 and 2 El Caminos, so it's not reproduced. And they're very expensive used and hard to find. This one actually broke off last year on the power tour, but it's constrained because it goes underneath the bumper. It had one mount point here, and that goes here to here. That stayed on, and then I ended up duct taping it on for the rest of the trip. So what we're going to do, the other two mounting points are here and here. These are studs that go through the fender with nuts on them. Those sheared off. And this mount point goes down here, and so it goes onto the front like this, and it's sheared off. So what we're going to do for right now is we're going to go drill and tap here and here to put new studs in. So we'll at least be back to 3 mounting points, and then I'm going to check in town tomorrow and try to find some automotive or some industrial quality epoxy where I can epoxy that on and reinforce it. Let's go drill and tap this.